Hi everyone, it's Hillary. Welcome back for another Creative Faith video. Today I have a really awesome freebie to share with you guys. So, if you are watching on YouTube, it will be linked in the description box below. And if you're watching on IGTV, you can head to the Creative Faith blog using the link in my profile to download it. It is called Shine, and it goes along with the Gospel of Light. Now, if you guys watched my other videos about the Gospel of Light, you will have known that I started writing this devotion book in 2017. And at that time, I created and designed this whole free printable that I was going to launch at the same time as the kit. And so my ability to draw has greatly improved. At this time, I didn't have the Procreate app yet on my iPad or the Apple Pencil or anything like that, so I have improved a lot since I created these, but I still wanted to share them and offer them to you guys for free because they match and go along so well with this kit, and they are still really awesome printables and things that you guys can use to document this theme of shining and light for the Lord. So I will show you guys real quick what it comes with, and then I'm going to do a quick process in the Gospel of Light devotion book. This is still available in my Etsy shop. I still have physical kits, and you can also get this book on Amazon. So you get a devotion, and it is all based on this trip that I took. My Costa Rican host family in 2017 visited, and we took them to the Oregon coast, and we stopped at a lighthouse, and that was inspiration behind this and a big inspiration for the Gospel of Light kit. And so these are some pictures that I took of the lighthouse, and then these are two little images that I drew of lighthouses. And then you have a little light bulb here, and you have a few tabs, which are really fun and would look really cute peeking out of your Bibles or your Gospel of Light kit. And yeah, so this is the freebie, and I did 3 years ago. I already print these on clear sticker paper. This is like a glossy clear sticker paper that I accidentally bought once. So I'm going to be using these too. And what I'm going to do is, this is part 7 of the Gospel of Light, is all about guiding light, and it's based on Exodus 13 and God leading the Israelites in the wilderness by light. And so what I'm going to do is add this devotion into here, because there are blank that goes like devotion, blank spread, devotion, blank spread, to give you guys extra room to take notes and create. And so I'm going to put this in here, and then I'm going to use these goodies to document what does it mean that God is my guiding light. So I'm going to put you guys on fast forward and get started. Be sure to pick up the Gospel of Light and join us for this awesome journey of studying light and darkness in the Bible. If you guys love using free printables from my shop, please consider supporting my Etsy shop too by purchasing either a physical kit or a printable or something like that. It really helps out a ton. So here we go.